want to wait to make sure we're going live. And here I am to respond and finally come back with. I did the first one that it's up on the podcast and all about recording voiceovers. And now I'm going to show you today how to take those in, import them, record them outright in a Final Cut X edit program, which I use. I can use also iMovie. You can similar plans and setups are done like this in other platforms. I'm gonna do this as quick as I can. So if I move quickly, ask your comments in the chat and comments, and I will respond to those in the future after we're done. Let's leave a hashtag live, hashtag replay, and I'll get back to those comments. Let's get right into inserting voiceovers in your edit platform. I'm gonna take this full here, and I'm gonna leave me here on top. There I am. Now you can see everything down below me right here. So I have a blank project opened up in Final Cut. Let's first view. Can I make full screen here? Alright, that's alright. I don't need it. So we just have a blank. I'm just gonna take something, open up um, just put something on the timeline here, just so I have something to work with. And we're gonna make this a regular video file size, regular horizontal, 720p horizontal. There we go. So it's just this is still. I mean, I could find a video, but I'm just working with still. But I want to add voiceover to this, and I should be able to play back the here too. But we're gonna at Final Cut. Here we go. Just say I didn't record it yet. I can record right in. There's something I could probably use for a video. There's my intro and everything. I could import that and then I'll use that later. But let's go record. Sorry, I just got distracted and saw that. But I want to record using. I know you were able to do it before. Now I'm not seeing it. Weird. Recording a video. Alright, I'm gonna use another app, another thing. Is it called memo in here too? Voice memos. Here we go. And make sure it's seeing my microphone good. Make sure. Set the preferences in the system. Make sure that I want to use the input in here, and the output is gonna go to there too. All right. I am recording a short little voiceover for my live stream that I'm doing in the group, Keeping It Real Tech Support. This is just a test recording to be played back so people can hear the recording. And I'm going to complete this. Go done. I'm not going to do anything right there. Test. Rename it test recording. And then should just be able to drag it. Share. Messages. Send it to myself here. Send it to myself. I'm doing this the whole process here. How? There it is. Drag that. Well. See, I saw it got added somewhere. There it is. Now drag. Still not. Why I'm not seeing it? This is weird. There it is. It's finally there. That's the test recording I had. Then you just drag that in. Play it. I am recording a short little voiceover for my live stream that I'm doing in the group, Keeping It Real Tech Support. This is just a test recording to be played back so people can hear the recording. And I'm going to complete this. So that was it. And that's just to show just basic stuff, how to record and insert a voiceover. And I'm going to play around with this video actually. Replace this, delete this, and drag that back in because I lost that. And now we're going to have I am video. Recording a short little voiceover for my live stream that I'm doing in the group, Keeping It Real Tech Support. This is just a test recording to be played back so people can hear the recording. And I'm going to complete this. I'm going to raise this up here. Oh, it's too loud. Definitely too loud. Raise it up there when I record there to be played back so people can hear the recording. And my lifelong mission to connect with 1 million individuals like you to explore how technology can empower. I won't play the whole thing, but you got the picture. Short little stream, and go watch this on Facebook and Twitter and here in the group as well. And that's how to record, insert audio with your video in an edit program. Thank you for watching. And now for the actual video that I was just playing a minute ago. See you later. Bye-bye. Welcome to Keeping It Real Tech Time with Sweet Tea, the podcast that bridges the gap between technology and our everyday lives. I'm your host, Sweet Tea, and I've made it my lifelong mission to connect with 1 million individuals like you to explore how technology can empower us rather than leave us feeling left out. From the earliest moments of my existence, I've been captivated by the endless possibilities of technology. Now, more than ever, I'm dedicated to sharing my passion and expertise, guiding you through the intricate world of technology. In each episode, we'll unravel the complexities of the latest tech innovations while also uncovering practical ways to harness their potential. Together, we'll navigate the digital realm, leaving no stone unturned. Join me on this incredible journey where we'll not only learn how to work technology, but also connect with fellow technology enthusiasts. Let's build a community that thrives on knowledge sharing and mutual growth. Welcome to Keeping It Real, Tech Time with Sweet Tea. Let's dive into the world of technology together and make it a force that truly supports and uplifts our lives.